If you want to find out how you can stream music from your mobile phone to your Bentley Continental GT for less than 25 quid without ripping your dash out, keep watching. Oh, morning, it's Nige of the North. Today we're going to be looking at in-car entertainment and how particularly spectacularly bad it is in the Bentley Continental GT. 20 years ago, when the car was new, the infotainment system was pretty cutting edge, or at least it was up there with the best of them. But of course things change, and as technologies have evolved, we're finding that it's not quite what you could expect in even one of the entry-level cars you could buy today. To remedy this, you can look in three directions. One, you can replace the infotainment system completely with a new unit, but unfortunately this will change the look of the car, and it's about 1,500 quid. Secondly, you could buy something called a GROM unit, which replaces your CD player and allows you to connect wirelessly through Bluetooth from your mobile phone. And the third option that I'm going to be looking at today is an FM transmitter, but a better quality one than you may have used before. So this little fella is the Kitsound MYFM3 5.0. It's made by Kitsound in Burnley, Lancashire, and it's a pretty neat little unit. This will light up when it's plugged in, but you've got various buttons on the front for increasing the volume. There's some really useful USB and USB-C connectors so you can actually charge your phone while you're using it. It tucks in really neatly into the front cigar lighter in the ashtray. You can barely see it when it's in there. And when I first got it, I thought, because I've experience with these before, I thought it wouldn't be that good. But actually, I've been really impressed. Particularly as the price point for this is 25 quid or less. It's pretty impressive. I'm very fussy about sounds. If I hear a record that's been badly reproduced somewhere, if it's on a bad set of speakers, it annoys the life out of me. So I was expecting to be thinking the same thing about this, but actually it's really good. So the benefits of it is cheap. It's really easy to set up. You can set it up in 5 minutes flat, even with very limited experience and knowledge about connecting via Bluetooth and everything else. Instructions are clear and in English, which is nice. And you can also use this, it's got an inbuilt speaker. You can use this to make your hands-free phone calls. And obviously if you're using a map app on your phone, like Google Maps or Waze, whichever you do, then it's going to interrupt the audio stream to bring the directions just as it would on your phone, except it's coming through the speakers of your car. So it's a really, really good piece of kit, and certainly for the price. And it uses something called a duplex technology and DSP, which I think is some sort of dynamic sound prevention, so that when you're speaking on the phone, it's as clear as if you were holding the phone to your face. Well, that's what they say. I bought mine at Argos, but to be fair, you could go straight to Kitsound themselves on their website and order it there if you're not in a massive rush. And as I said, for $24.99, I don't think you can go far wrong. You simply plug it into your cigar lighter and then match up the frequency that's displayed on here. You can change this yourself to the frequency on your radio in your car. And Robert, as they say, is your father's brother. So in summary, it's cheap, but it's actually very good. It's easy to fit, it's easy to remove, and it's not going to spoil the look of your car. Plus, you get to keep all your CDs. So if you like what you saw today, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear from anyone who's either replaced the whole unit itself or actually gone the route of the GROM, or even in fact got one of these, and how they compare with each other. Surely the more you spend, the better it must be, I guess. But with the kind of music I listen to, I don't think that's going to make much difference. And if you want to see more videos like this, God help you, click the bell and I'll let you know when there's something new coming out. Thanks a lot.